we are going to see SHA3 algorithm explanation. So SHA3 actually was dropped on December 31. They moved to SHA3 instead of SHA2. One reason why the world didn't move to SHA3 is because almost none of the world's software or hardware could support that one. SHA3 is also considerably it is slower only in software. In hardware, it beats up um, SHA1 and SHA2. The KCOG actually mainly differs from SHA3 Phenylis because it uses a sponge construction. Here we can find that the KCOG uses a non-compressing function that will observe as well as it will squeeze out the short digest. The major concept we are going to discuss here is about the SHA3 competition and the sponge construction. Inside KCOG, what will be there and SHA3 FIPS. First, to start with the origin of SHA3, it mainly started with all these MD5 and the SHA1. Later, they had successors of SHA2, all these things. In October 2008, a deadline was proposed, and SHA3 was found more efficient. And we can find that the rational and preliminary analysis were brought out, and it was considered a patent waiver. So regarding the sponge origin, it's actually rumors which are created about the NIST call for the hash functions. The long-time colleagues Gilles van Asche and Michael Peters and ST Atali colleague Gudinov Bertoni joining in. And radio getin is an arbitrary output length expressing security claim for arbitrary output length function. Sponge functions, which is closest thing to a random oracle within a finite state. Security strength is a post-quantum sufficiency. Domain separation, functions of D and n-bit diversifier. XOF D of M is equal to XOF of M parallel D. Variable length diversifiers suffix free list of set of strings. Mainly to focus, the domain separation focus on few protocols and applications needed. Multiple hash functions of SOFs will be used that should be independent, and it should have a single XOF. And yes, it uses some domain separation concepts, but the output of XOF M parallel 0 and XOF M parallel 1 are always independent unless XOF has a cryptographic weakness. To give more detailed explanation about KCOG, KCOG is a sponge function. So from toy over lightweighted to high speed SHA3 instance, for example, if we are taking 1088, see if we are taking 512, the width will be getting like 1600. So you can say the security strength is the post quantum sufficiency here. So sponge origin, everything mainly to say it is a long time colleagues Gilles Vanchi and Michael Peters were created. 2008 deadline for proposals, design rationally and preliminary analysis patent waiver also was given. It uses a non-compressing function to absorb and the squeeze out a short digest. SHA3 is slower only in software and hardware. It handily beats SHA1 and SHA2.